Hey there, and welcome to this Yoonla Evolve review. Now, what I'm going to be covering in this video is what exactly Yoonla is and how much money can you make with it. Now, as you guys see on my screen here, I've sent about 6 unique clicks and I have 2 signups from the USA. How Yoonla works is every single lead that you generate, you either earn $2 or $4 in commissions for generating that lead. Now, how you can generate these leads? Well, there's multiple different ways in the Yoonla back office. So if you click the button below this, you can set up your free account and you'll get sent over to this page right here where you can watch the Yoonla intro. But what it is, Yoonla is a CPA platform and it pays out $2 for Tier 2 countries and $4 for Tier 1 countries. Now, I was watching Yoonla for, I don't know, like 3 or 4 months or so, and I really didn't want to get involved with it. It was actually the older Yoonla platform, the Yoonla Evolve platform just recently came out, and once I seen the Yoonla Evolve platform and how brain dead simple it was to actually get set up, it really got me hooked. So a couple days ago, I went through the process and I actually set up my Yoonla account. Today is day number 1 of me actually getting activated for the affiliate program. They went through, they set up my site for me. I didn't have to do anything. They set up my site for me. If I go over here, I'll just go over to my site here so I can actually show you guys. So Six Figure Wealth System. And they'll go ahead, all you got to do is, click the link below, enter in your email address, get sent over to the Yoonla site, and then just follow these steps and they'll activate your account for you. If you want to fast track it and you don't want to do all those work, what you can do is you can click on Become a Yoonla Elite member, and then all you have to do is you just simply grab your GetResponse account, which is your email autoresponder. That's an essential tool for you to grow your business. Step number 2 is they're actually going to set up your very own website. So what you're going to receive is your own duplicatable website. You're going to get this exact page, but you're going to earn commissions whenever people enter in their email address and request some more information. And as you guys see here, with only 6 clicks, I got 2 Tier 1 commissions, which is $8. And that's really, really good conversions, for a free platform, essentially. They give you everything for free. All you need is a couple essential tools. And then, so step number 1, you get your email autoresponder. Step number 2, you set up your website with Yahoo, which is, a very good and fast web hosting provider. And you're also going to get your own domain and your own email attached to that domain, which is very, very powerful, and I'll go over that here later on in the video. But then step number 3, all you got to do is you just click on this form, you enter in all your information, and then in 24 to 48 hours you get an email from Yoonla and everything is done for you. You don't have to worry about anything, you don't have to go through any steps. All you do is you just literally log into your your Evolve back office, which they'll give you access to, and then you just literally are promoting your website, right? And you're just watching as people join the Yoonla platform. They enter their email. You either earn $2 or $4. So it's super simple. They even go into your GetResponse account and set up your email autoresponder. So if I go over to autoresponders here. If I go over to contacts, and as you guys see here, this is a brand new account. I have my ClickFunnels done for you system. If you guys want to get access to that, that's in the description below. So you can start having ClickFunnels pay you instead of you paying monthly to use ClickFunnels. And that's that's what I use to build all of my landing pages. As you guys see here, I'm setting up a capture page for Yoonla as we speak, which I'll be sending traffic to, so that I can split test this traffic, this page with a page that I create. And if you guys want to get access to it, if you join our Yoonla team, you'll get access to my Facebook group and you'll be able to, you know, kind of run alongside with me, copy what I'm doing, how I'm getting leads on Facebook, and have pretty much everything done for you. Because Yoonla, as you guys seen there, all you got to do is, you know, literally enter in your email below, set up the free account, you know, follow these 3 simple steps. Literally in 24 to 48 hours, you could have a system that's ready to pay you commissions for generating leads, which is super, super powerful. So, you know, that's pretty much it for the day 1 review of Yoonla. I just want to briefly go over, you know, what it is and stuff like that. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, where I'm going to show you my 24-hour results of me promoting Yoonla on some, you know, sending emails out to my email list, promoting on Facebook. I want to see in the first 24 hours how many leads I can generate. And tomorrow, in tomorrow's video, I'm going to reveal, you know, the action steps that I took to actually generate those leads in the first 24 hours. So that, you know, if you want to join our Yoonla team, you can, you know, enter in your, you know, click the link below, enter in your information, set up your account, get your elite account set up so that you can start earning those commissions. And then, you know, make sure to subscribe below so that tomorrow when I launch my video of how I was actually getting these signups, you know, from Facebook and from my email list, then you can copy my result, or you can copy my, you know, action method, implement it tomorrow, you know, right in front of your eyes, and start seeing results, start seeing those leads come in. You know, we can even see if we got any new signups here. Let's refresh the page. Maybe we got a new sign up live. You never know. But everything is done for you with Yoonla. It's an amazing platform. It converts, as you guys see here. And, you know, I look forward to seeing the first 24-hour results as well. So make sure, hit that subscribe button, like the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave in the comment section below if you guys want me to cover anything about the Yoonla platform, or, you know, if you want me to, you know, share anything about how I'm getting traffic or anything like that. Let me know in the comment section below so that I can go ahead and create a video to help you guys out in generating some leads so that you can start getting those $2 and $4 commissions, which, you know, if you're a brand new marketer, this is a great platform for you to start with. Super, super low cost. You can get started for, I think it's like under $100. You can get a free 30-day trial of GetResponse, and then to buy your hosting for 1 year, right? This is just a 1-year purchase because you're going to have that domain for the entire year. I think it's like $60 with Yahoo, so it's super, super cheap to get started. And like you can see here, you can start earning some commissions very, very quickly. So go ahead, click the button below this video, set up your Yoonla Elite platform, go through, you know, like I said, log into the back office, and then just click on Become an Elite Free Upgrade Priority Setup Available, right? Just click that button, follow the priority steps. This is the easiest way to get set up. And this is the quickest way to get set up with as little hassle as possible. Everything's done. Just literally go through here, you know, set up your hosting account, set up your GetResponse account, and then fill out the survey and wait 24 to 48 hours to get your account active. And as you guys see here, you also get, you know, for being an elite member, you can also get up to $60 when people actually go through this 3-step process. You actually can earn, you know, not only $2 to $4 per lead, but you can also earn up to $60 commissions from the Yoonla platform. So go ahead, click the button below. As you guys see here, you know, 232 people claimed the free elite upgrade in the last 24 hours. This thing is blowing up. Grab your account below, shoot me a message on Facebook. Let's get you started. Let's get you earning some commissions. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video for the 24-hour results.